This assessment asks us to draw the reaction coordinate diagram for the acid-catalyzed addition of an alcohol to an alkene, and to determine the rate-determining step. I've just drawn a generic mechanism up here where R represents alkyl groups, the rest of the molecule. I've also labeled every structure with a letter to save room on my reaction coordinate diagram. The reaction coordinate then, the energy diagram then starts with the reaction of the alkene A plus the protonated alcohol B to form carbocation C. Carbocations are high in energy. Intermediate carbocation C will react with some alcohol D to form our key carbon-oxygen bond. That protonated oxygen E will react with another equivalent of the alcohol D to form our neutral final product F and regenerate our catalyst, the protonated alcohol B. This is the reaction coordinate diagram for this reaction. What is the rate determining step? The rate determining step is the reaction step that has the highest activation energy. For this particular reaction, that would be the first step here. The first step has the highest activation energy, and therefore it will be the rate determining step.